going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been to this channel yet, do me a favor and subscribe, because if you want to see C5 content and eventually other car content in the future where I build my future cars and this car, then hit that subscribe button. So without further ado, let's get into this video today. You see we got my baby down there. Ooh, my C5Z. And you know what she's getting today? Because she only gets the best. I don't know, she kind of tired, so she getting these sleepy eyes. Yeah, I'm really excited, guys. I ordered these lights like back in October, and they just got here like 2 weeks ago. I really haven't had time to put them on. If you checked out my last video, you'll know that I had to daily drive my Corvette for a while. As of now, I think that's about to end, but if it doesn't, oh well. The only thing is let me show you guys. It's currently 28 degrees. It's cold outside. So let's get these. So if I haven't mentioned, these are from knightdrive TV. A lot of you C5 owners have gotten these headlights, and I don't blame you, because they're dope. So I get all my tools, got the headlights and everything. Pop the hood. The one thing I always hated about this car, two things I always hated about this car are the front corner assemblies, which I have changed, and the headlights. Now look at these. They just look bad. They look all bad. So I can't wait to change these out to the sleepy eye. I don't know, the sleepy eye to me just adds like a whole nother dimension to the car. And my theme with this car is laser everything. Laser side markers, laser tail lights, the laser in the front corner assemblies. So I don't know. I think laser looks best, and I'm trying to drop 20 years off this car and bring it into the 21st century. The performance is there. The looks, however, not so much. Don't get me wrong. I really like the way the interior is. I like how basic it is. None of that bothers me. The body lines don't really bother me, but it's just like how bubbly the front is, and I don't know. I don't think it really looks good until there's like a front lip on it, and I think the taillights in the back never look good to me. So I don't know, there's just like a few things to change on this car, and then to me, I think it looks really good. I mean, really not much, but you know what's unacceptable? A 4-finger wheel gap. Without further ado, let's get these headlights on, because I'm tired of talking, and I think you guys are tired of hearing me talk. So let's get to it. got the old stock. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. Enjoy today. We finally got these old stock headlights out, and you think that you're ready to go, put the new ones in. Nah, there's like 18 more steps, so got a long ways to go, but I guess let's just get to it. I wish I could just be like, put these here, just like this, and be like, bang. I'd be like, oh, nope, doesn't work like that. You better wait to the end. Well, this side is pretty much all done. I'm gonna have to adjust it, the side to side, up and down, but I can't really do it now. It's light out and I really don't know. And I won't know until the others are on, and lit up until the cover's on, really. But this side is pretty much done. I'm gonna quick do this side, and yeah, after that I'll wire in the relays and then it's done. So I'm pretty hyped. Oh man, we're at the end of our journey here. All I gotta do is put this last cover on, and then the relays I'm gonna hit up tomorrow, put those on. Oh man, these look sick. The only thing is this took me like 3 hours. And I'm not even done yet. I gotta wire in the fuse yet, so I get the full function of the high beams. But that's sick. That's sick. Now the headlights don't need to be adjusted. Obviously I don't have a garage to put them against, or it's not nighttime, so I can't really adjust them at all. So I guess I'll just feel it out while I'm driving. But these headlights look sick. I'm not even complaining, it took me 3 hours. Oh man, I'm gonna finish up the wire harness tomorrow, and I'll catch you guys then. These are sick as fuck. So day 2 for the install for the Night Drive TV sleepy eye headlights. All we got left to do is we gotta wire in the fuses to make the 3 headlights work. So if you don't wire in a fuse, only one of your lights is gonna turn on when you turn your headlights on versus all 3. So we're gonna get rid of that problem and install this relay. Let me say this. I think I desperately need some new tires. These are wearing, they're not even that bad, but man, they don't hook. Then again, it is pretty cold out, so I'll give these tires the benefit of the doubt. They're doing pretty good for what they got. So, but let's get all this installed, and call this install a day. Also, I was driving with the lights at night, and I feel bad for all the cars in front of me because I definitely need to adjust these headlights. They're pointing high in the sky, and it's messed up. So I'm also gonna maybe adjust these now. Nah, you know what? I won't even adjust them. I'll just let them be until I find the time on a nice day. When I really care. I don't even really drive this car at night anyways, too much. Also gotta pop this off, because this is disgusting. I'm gonna pop this off and throw this out because I don't even want this. Maybe I'll keep the tabs, but besides that, this is coming off. And this engine bay needs to get cleaned ASAP. But like I said, enough of that. Let's install this these fuses. All right, so everything's done. I'm gonna see if it actually works. If it worked. Yep, it worked. All three of them Jones are on. Yeah. It is sketchy though, because these fuses, they have to put the brass fitting on. They really don't go down all the way, so I kind of got them down as far as I could and called it a day, because I don't want to force them in. I was kind of getting on them with a flathead, as you guys saw. I'm kind of trying to push them in, but I don't want to break them. I was already scuffing them, so that's all bad. I'm not really sure where to put this. This relay has a tab on it. I don't know, maybe I'll try to hang it down back here or something. And I don't know how I'm gonna get everything to sit back down, but I guess I'll figure it out. And I was struggling to get these fuses out, and then I realized I had one of these. Way to go. Way to go. But anyways, guys, this completes my sleepy eye journey. Everything's working, functioning properly. Honestly, it's really not that bad of a kit. It's kind of easy to install. Once you do one side, the other side's fairly simple. It's only 1 or 2 steps, so you kind of like got to get in there in an awkward position, but really it's not bad at all. So I would really recommend, especially for the price. It's simple. I don't know, everything was included. So the only thing is it took a little while. The wait took a little bit, but like I said, well worth it. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.